This laptop doesn't blink. Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6 is a productivity monster. 64GB RAM madness. Ever feel like your laptop's secretly working against you? Like every app opens in slow motion, your cursor freezes mid-zoom, and Chrome tabs are basically landmines? You start your workday motivated and caffeinated, but your sluggish machine turns it into a digital obstacle course. That file you needed yesterday? Stuck loading. That video call? Glitch City. It's not just annoying, it's draining. You're stuck juggling deadlines, but your tools are built for 2010. If your device keeps holding your grind hostage, it's time for a serious reality check. Now picture this. Your clients are waiting, your editor's pinging, and your CPU's too busy buffering to care. You've got massive files, endless tabs, 12 apps open, and one goal: get it done. But your machine chokes, and you pay the price. Missed pitches. Burned out eyeballs. That creeping fear that maybe it's you who's falling behind. Not because you lack the skill, but because your hardware is flat out sabotaging your momentum. Stress? Sky high. Motivation? On life support. Every hour lost to lag is one you're not getting back. Enter the Lenovo ThinkBook 16G6, aka the multitasking, deadline-dominating beast your workflow deserves. This isn't just a laptop, it's a freaking business partner with a turbo button. We're talking 13th Gen Intel i7 with 10 cores, 64GB of next-gen DDR5 RAM, and 2TB of NVMe firepower so fast it might just time travel. The 16-inch FHD Plus display is crisp, color-rich, and easy on the eyes, while Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt speed ports keep you ultra-connected. You even get Windows 11 Pro, a fingerprint scanner, a backlit keyboard, and an HD webcam with privacy shutter. Yes, really. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a jet. Imagine buttery smooth workflows, zero lag, instant boots, and streaming with zero stutter. Zoom calls feel like real-life conversations, your apps load faster than your thoughts, and even massive video projects move like silk. The military-grade durability, smart security, and AI-enhanced noise cancellation? Bonus perks. Want to go from I'm behind to I'm thriving? This machine is built for professionals, creatives, coders, educators, anyone who demands more and deserves better. It's not hype, it's your new digital HQ. But warning, this powerhouse doesn't sit on shelves long. High-spec productivity laptops like this get scooped fast, and once they're gone, they're gone. Thousands of creators and business warriors have already leveled up with the ThinkBook 16G6. Why not you? Don't get left in the tech dust. Smash that link, claim your edge, and start running your day like a boss, not like a buffering meme. You've got the skills. Now own the tools. Act now, or get outpaced. Your future self is waiting, go get it.